HK. HK. Where is your hair? Where's your hair? There! Where is your nose? Very good muna. Tito. Hindi hair. Where is your nose?
Nose.
Where is your nose?
Nose.
No. Yan. Galing. Where's your kulangot?
Oh, sipon ka. Sipon.
Where is your...
Yung panyo ko kahapon na pagtripan na naman.
Gaganon niya.
Kinukuha niya yung panyo ko may sipon. Umiiyak, binigyan kong bago.
Where is your tummy tums? Where's your tummy tums?
Pagpupunas din siya ng sipon. At saka yung paa niya, pinunasan pa niya.
Where is your tummy tums? Sien? Where's your tummy tums? Ganyan naman to. Sien?
Juju.
Where is your tummy tums? Na, Beb?
Juju.
Beb?
Wow.
Where is your hair?